Hello guys, welcome to the video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can upload your own or a custom frequency response into the Squig.link. So let's get started. I was searching for this Stinger headphone, and unfortunately I cannot find the model, the HyperX Stinger 1, not the Stinger 2. So I head over to the Artings website. In the sound profile section, we can see that it already has a frequency response, which is showed by this graph. So we're gonna take the values of this graph and then we're gonna upload it into our Squig.link. Okay, so in order to do that, go to the see detail graph tool link that is right below the actual graph. Click on it. It will show you the magnified version of the same graph. And we're gonna save this page and yeah, make sure that you have the frequency response selected in this. So right click on save as, save it wherever you want, name it whatever you want. So once we have our HTML saved, the HTML file contains every point, the frequency, the left channel value and the right channel value. So we're gonna extract that. And in order to do that, I'm going to use this software that is known as Notepad++. If you don't have it already, I will provide a link down in the description. So open the software, go to files, open, search for the HTML file that you saved. Click on open. And somewhere in this file we have all the frequency, their decibel values. So in order to search for it, go back to the graph and hover your mouse onto any one particular value. For example, at this point we have the frequency value of 142.544. So I'm going to search for 142.544 in this. So hit Ctrl F, click on find and enter your value. Click on find next, and it will bring to you a section that actually has all of the values that we were searching for, that we were looking for, right? And just let me quickly show you how the syntax work. So we have our syntax written in this particular order. So we have our main frequency, following a target response, following with a left channel decibel value and a right channel decibel value. So this is how the values are ordered. So we have a main frequency, which is 9.857, followed by a target response that is 90. And in case you're wondering what is this target response, let me show you in this graph. You can see this dotted line, the gray dotted line, which is obviously 90. Okay, so just copy it from the starting, not from the 0, the value after it, 9.857. Copy the entire section, hit Ctrl C and open a new notepad, and we're gonna paste it in here. Hit Ctrl V. We have the values, but we want to get rid of the HTML codes. So in order to do that, just highlight the code, hit Ctrl F, go to replace, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace it with / and a T. Make sure that it is a / and not a backslash. So what it's gonna do is, when this program finds this particular expression, it is going to replace it with a tab or a space. Hit replace all, and as you can see, we already have our data much more clear, but it's still, I want to get rid of this line as well over here. So I'm gonna just copy it, I'm gonna paste it in find what section, and this time I'm gonna replace it with a new line, which is / and n. Okay, and I'm gonna hit replace all, and that's it. We have our entire data arranged in a manner that we can actually read. You can see the main frequency, the target response, and the left channel and the right channel frequency. Sorry, the decibel value. Okay, so before moving ahead, I'm going to just point you out that we need to get rid of all the commas as well. So just highlight the comma, hit Ctrl F, go to replace, and replace it with nothing. Okay, we're gonna hit replace all, and that's it. I'm gonna copy the entire section, Ctrl C. I'm gonna open up an Excel sheet, blank workbook, and I will just paste it in here. Okay, so now we don't really need our target response, so I'm gonna delete this entire column, delete. And for this video, I'm just gonna use one single value, the left channel value, and I will not keep the right one. You can repeat the process if you want both of them, but I'm just gonna show you with the left channel value only, right? So let's just arrange it nicely so that the frequency and the decibel values are right next to each other. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it, I'm gonna paste it right next to it. So let's quickly just get things moving. Okay, I'm finished now, but one thing that I would like to point out is that you might see some values that repeats itself. For example, at this point we have 93, 91 repeats itself, so you can just delete one of them. Right, and then you can copy it and paste it in the Excel sheet. So once you have all the data arranged, what we're gonna do is we're gonna save it as a CSV file, and there you have it. Go to the equalizer section, hit an upload FR, and just search for your file. You can open, and there you have it. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you have any questions, you can ask me down in the comment section. Thank you.